everyone, I'm Stephanie and I'm a paralegal here at OneLaw Chambers. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a quick explanation into the UK student visa category and give you a quick guide into the requirements for obtaining this visa. If you like this video, please give us a like down below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. The General and Child Student Visa category has replaced the previously known Tier 4 General and Child Student Visa. This visa is for anyone who is aged 16 or over and wishes to study on a further or higher education course in the UK. If you are between 4 and 17 years old and wish to study at an independent school in the UK, then you should apply for a child student visa. In order to qualify for a general student visa, you need to satisfy UK Visas and Immigration that you are aged 16 or over, you've been offered an unconditional place or an approved course with a licensed student sponsor, you can read, write, speak and understand English to at least CEFR Level B2 if studying at degree level or above, or CEFR Level B1 if studying at below degree level. You have enough money to support yourself and pay for your course without relying on public funds, and you have the consent of your parents or legal guardian if you are 16 or 17 years old. To qualify for a child student visa, you need to satisfy that you are aged between 4 and 17, you've been offered an unconditional place on an approved course of study at an independent school holding a valid student sponsor license, you have enough money to support yourself and pay for your course without relying on public funds, and you have the consent of your parent or legal guardian. There are specific course requirements that include the number of hours, the type of qualification, and other criteria that must be met depending on whether you are applying for a general or a child student visa. All applicants must be sponsored by a licensed sponsor and issued a confirmation of acceptance to studies. The exact requirements you will need to satisfy will vary depending on your circumstances. You may want to speak to our immigration lawyers for expert advice. You will usually need to pass a secure English language test from an approved provider. There is also a financial requirement for both the general and child student visa, though the conditions of which differ depending on which you are applying for. The conditions address both tuition and living expense funds. At OneLaw Chambers, our immigration solicitors and barristers regularly assist with UK student visa applications, and we have represented clients from all over the world. We are well equipped to prepare and submit your UK student visa application. If you want more information on the topic mentioned, then please check out our website at onelawchambers.com or give us a call. Our contacts are also listed in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it has been helpful. If it has, please give us a like down below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye!